My dear students, I am going to explain an activity which explains conversion of water to water vapor. For this, I have to draw a level diagram. So let us see. This is iron stand and it is here and it will have burner. Burner and it will have tripod stand. It has a small beaker. Take 50 ml of water in a beaker. This is a beaker and here water is taken. Water is taken. Now it is connected with the stand and the thermometer is dropped here. Here is thermometer and one glass rod. ये है glass stirrer. Now listen. Take 50 ml of water in a beaker. This is beaker and here is water is taken. Suspend a thermometer into it. इसमें एक थर्मामीटर हम लोग डाल देते हैं. Start heating the beaker while stirring with the help of the glass rod. Note the temperature at which liquid water changes into water vapors completely. It is boiling point of water. Observe the temperature when the boiling point of water takes place. Boiling point of water takes place. We can conclude water boils at 100 degrees Celsius. Boiling point of water, that is H2O, is 100 degrees Celsius or 373 Kelvin. The temperature remains constant till water changes into vapors completely. ये वाटर वेपर में चेंज होगा, वह टेम्परेचर कांस्टेंट टेम्परेचर होगा, कांस्टेंट टेम्परेचर. सो बॉइलिंग पॉइंट इज द कांस्टेंट टेम्परेचर. सबसे डियर स्टूडेंट्स, इसमें सबसे पहले हम लोगों को क्या करना है कि एक आयरन स्टैंड लेना है. ये आयरन स्टैंड है. दिस वन इज़ आयरन स्टैंड है और इस आयरन स्टैंड के ज़रिए हम थर्मामीटर को सेट कर देते हैं. ठीक है, जैसा कि मैंने डायग्राम में बनाया. ठीक है, और बीकर इज़ प्लेस्ड ऑन द ट्रिपॉड स्टैंड विच इज़ कनेक्टेड विद द बर्नर. और फिर हम लोग क्या करना है, वाटर का बॉइलिंग पॉइंट चेक करना है एंड कन्वर्सन ऑफ वाटर टू वाटर वेपर. सो एट व्हाट टेम्परेचर it will take place. ठीक है, water changes into water vapor. This can be well understood by this activity. Here conversion of water to water vapor. The conversion of water into water vapor takes place at the boiling point or below the boiling point. If it takes place at the boiling point, it is called vaporization, and if it takes place at different temperature, it is called evaporation. Here we have found the boiling point. We have to check boiling point of water. So boiling point of water is 100 degrees Celsius and this can be This can be well understood by this activity. I hope you have well understood and you will do practice at home. All the best. God bless you.